Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifting State. Once again, back in the garage, working on the Roadster. We made a lot of progress since last time. Primary cover off, all that good stuff. Got the old wheels off. I don't really remember where we left off, but wheels got taken off, tires got changed out, old tires, new tires, old tires, new tires. Drove out, saw our good friends over at Hampton Roads Harley Davidson. So new tires, we have new seal hanging up over there for the primary. That'll be going on there, looking nice and clean. Like I said, primary cover off, derby cover off, all that good stuff. Definitely gotten my work in. I mean, I'm in here, I'm doing this. So I'm actually having a lot of fun from this and acquiring a lot of tools. I acquired, I mean, I went out and bought breaker bar, torque wrench, foot-pound torque wrench. We got an inch-pound torque wrench. I mean, I got a little carry away. Here's my little chart for the primary cover. Didn't want to mix the bolts up. Let's see. Got the old clutch out. I don't know if we went over this in the old video, but with the last video, finally pulled this beautiful thing out. This is called a spring plate or grenade plate. This goes in the middle of the clutch, pack here, pulled out of there. This is what caused a lot of my problems. This beautiful thing right here has little rivets there, all beautiful. I think I had about 6 of them bust out and caused a lot of problems inside of here. And hopefully I got the camera angle right, you guys, because I want to show you everything, you know, that I'm learning, so maybe you can learn a little something too in the process, or just be entertained by my craziness that I've gotten myself into. So that sits in there like that, along with these beautiful pieces here, friction plates, steely plate, whatever. And this caused a big old mess. Now, I do have the new Screamin Eagle clutch kit on order. I'm waiting for it to ship out. Talked to my buddies over at Hampton Roads Harley Davidson, and they said they're just waiting for a shipping number to be given to them so they can let me know what's going on with that. But that aside, so this beautiful thing here, when this explodes, it has little rivets, and let me see, these beautiful things right over here. Get my hand over. So these little things right here, if you can see on my finger, see that beautiful thing? Yeah. Those will bust off of here and spin around inside your clutch basket right here. So you got your clutch basket, and then you got your hub, okay? So clutch basket, hub. So those little brass rivets, what they do, they get inside, and I'm not even sure, but if you can see them or not, but you go over to my Facebook page, I posted a good picture. They'll get in there and they'll cause little grooves inside here and cause damage on the inside of this too. When that happens, you can put a new clutch in here if you want to. As you can see, this one got destroyed. Okay, beautiful, lovely. So you can put a new one in there, but being that this is scarred up in there, when you go to engage or disengage the clutch, there's a possibility that it's going to get caught up on those little grooves and cause issues. And then you might get lucky and get about 500 miles out of your new clutch that you just spent about $200 on. Luckily, I didn't make a mistake. Luckily, I was smart enough and did my research and knew to look inside of there. So now I'm at the point of I have to order a new hub. Well, sorry, new hub and clutch basket. So I'm in the process of removing all this fun stuff. So I've definitely dug myself in deeper. And hopefully it just stops right here. But it's fun. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying the learning experience. Took the wheels off, all that fun stuff. Strapped the bike down better because the way I had it on there made me a little nervous. So I'm in the process of removing this. I'm not going to show you that today. I did get one bolt off. I'm waiting till I get the bolts down on the wheels and everything, torqued down to spec, which I have to look up. I'm going to do that tomorrow because it's late tonight and I've been messing with a lot of stuff. But just so you know, if I remember correctly, yeah, I use this one. So this bolt right in there, inch and 3/16. That's what you're gonna need to get that off. Now, this bolt is gonna go clockwise. This one's gonna go counterclockwise. This one came off really easy for me. This one wants to fight me. So I got the big old breaker bar over there, but I want to get the bike down sturdy and break that bad boy loose. So I got a lot of my info, just so you guys know, if you actually want some real how-to video, it's over at Hammer Performance. Go check out their channel. Really good informational stuff over there. So that's what helped build my confidence on doing this whole project. So go over there, check them out. But yeah, so process, I'm going to be, and this is all got to come off. As one, I'll be doing that. And once that's off, I'll have the new hub and basket pressed together, and I'm gonna slide that on. And hopefully I should have the Screamin' Eagle new clutch to put in there. And I'm really excited to get this thing back on the road and just see the difference and see, you know, how it's going to react and all that stuff. So like the clutch pull, how, you know, how is that going to be affected with this new clutch? So definitely excited to take you guys along for the ride on that. I did get the wheels taken off, put back on. That was my first time doing that. Very proud of myself. I had to take my wheels over to a local shop to get them mounted, balanced. New wheel bearings pushed in too. Here are the old ones. The guy over there, I told him, I said, I want new wheel bearings put in. He asked me how many miles on a bike. I told him. He goes, they should be good. You know, we check them when you bring the wheels to us. I said, that's fine and all. I got the wheels off. I want to go ahead and just do preventative maintenance because I do drive this bike a little hard. And, you know, I want to make sure everything's nice and solid. So with new wheel bearings and new rubber hitting the road, I can't wait to throw this thing into the corners again. Not into a corner, but into the corners. So, but yeah, bike strap down. All that's taken apart. Here's one thing I had fun trying to figure out on my own. So I'm gonna let you guys know. I'll probably leave it down in the description too. Got my Craftsman here, Craftsman socket. So I asked everybody in the world, what size socket do I need to get this nut off? Nobody could tell me. I finally figured it out. 36 millimeter right there. Don't know if you can see it, nice and shiny. 36 millimeter. Pop that on there. Break her off. I could just tighten it down and just be like, good, it's nice and tight, rock and roll it, but I want to do this right. I'm trying to find the perfect owner's manual for this bike. So you guys at home watching, if you know where I can find the best owner manual that I can get, so I can get, because I want to get the right torque specs for everything. I want to do it right. Do it by the book. And, you know, learn the right way. No bad habits. So if you know at home a good owner's manual I can buy to get that, let me know. And affordable too, because I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of money. I've already invested so much in tools. But yeah, I want to find out the torque specs for these bolts. You know, front, back, the pinch bolt up there. Definitely the right specs to tighten these bolts back down when I go to put that back together. I'm just really excited to be getting this new Screamin' Eagle clutch and the hub. But going back to this is our project right now. But going back to this, okay. Harley. I love you, Harley. But this is ridiculous. I'm disappointed. And look, I'm not even like, I gave up trying to look for like sponsorships and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not here trying to like suck up to anybody. Harley, you make beautiful bikes. You've been doing this for years. Why? Answer me. Answer us. We want answers. Why? Why keep putting this in here when you know it's a problem? Can you deny it? That you don't know it's a problem? I don't know. But it's a problem. And you keep putting it in there, why? Probably because you want us to go buy the $200 kit and upgrade. At least tell us, hey, you might want to upgrade it because that's going to fail in about 15,000 miles. So do your customers a solid and give us a heads up, or just go ahead and put a better clutch in there. Come on now. So Love me or hate me, that's the truth. That's how I feel. Anyways, and this was fun getting off because you got to take the whole shock, pull that back just to get to the brakes back there, unless I don't have the right tools, whatever. But yeah, guys, we're getting closer. I'm just at a standstill at this point just because of hub, clutch basket. I'm looking at $600. So because Harley wants to put that cheap plate in there, and, you know, looking out for our customers, because of that plate, it destroyed this clutch basket, and I have to put a whole new one in there. $600 with 23,000 miles on a bike. Way to go. Thank you, Harley. You know, I paid about, after titles, tags, everything for this thing, 2017, brand new off the showroom floor, I ended up paying about $14,000 to $15,000. You know, I guess once interest and all that stuff slapped in there, I finally paid it off, but still, you pay $13,000 to $14,000, and that's what you put in there. You wonder why you're losing customers. Sorry, getting off subject, but yeah. Whew. Dude, calm down. Anyways, that's where we're at, guys. I wanted to give you all that update. I will be posting, you know, pictures and little small update pictures, videos on the Facebook page. Go over there, like the page. I'm on Instagram too. Follow us over there. Little sneak peeks, behind the scenes, all that fun stuff. And for the most part, I am just ready to get behind the bars because, yeah, the weather has warmed up. Everybody's out on their bikes, and I see it. And I'm hurt because everybody's riding by, and I can't ride mine because of Harley and their cheap plates. Once again, thanks, Harley. But yeah, I'm excited to get it back together, get behind the bars, start giving y'all good motor vlogs again. The weather's warming up. I'm gonna be like just hitting the road and just showing y'all more sites around Virginia, talking y'all through it, all that fun stuff. And I was up there at the Harley store looking at a Road King, and yeah, I still want it, and I want it bad, and just waiting on some tax money, just like everybody else. So with that said, that's the update. New rubber on, waiting on clutch. Gotta buy a clutch basket, hub. Yeah, new rubber, all that stuff's bolted back on. That's where we're at. I'm rambling. Let me stop it there, guys. Hit that subscribe button, join the family. I love you all. Y'all ride safe. And do some riding for me right now. Pray for me that we get this back together soon. And I hope y'all join the ride along on this channel. Please, like I said, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. I really appreciate it. I really do. I love each and every one of y'all. Y'all are family to me. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and log it off right here. I'm out.